Hey guys, this wasn't a planned video at all. This is actually just what's going on right now. I've actually managed to get a bigger size like Allen screwdriver stuck in the head of that bolt, and it's actually moving it. So I'm just going to see if I can get it undone, because it is moving, but I don't want to snap it. It's very tight. Because if it snaps, I think it's gone. Yep, it snapped. It literally just snapped on camera. Oh, that's hot. Oh, fucking hell. Right. This is what I really did not want to happen, because now it's snapped, I've got to drill that out. And I've either got to put a different, bigger head bolt in it, which isn't too much of a problem. I know that it fits fine on a YBR's exhaust, because I've had to do it before, on like 2 different YBRs. So it's not that bad, but at the same time, I really wish we could have kept it an M6. The thing is, because it is that stuck in there that it's not coming out like that, no screw extractor is going to bring that out. That's going to snap again inside even further. So that has to be drilled out in my eyes. If I had given it some heat whilst I was doing this, it may have broke loose by itself, but chances that were still very slim, because you can see there how rusty that is. See there, that is flush with the head. It's a bit of a cunt, but you know what? I kind of expected it as soon as that exhaust wasn't coming off, so yeah, that's one thing. Also, I've been trying to get this mount off, and you can see it's just completely stripping both ends off. So this, I'm literally just going to cut that bottom bolt off. I can replace the bolt. That's honestly too much. That is fucking tight. That is just ridiculous. So that's getting cut off. Simple as. What next to do with this then? So with the exhaust, you guys know that I'm putting a turbo on this. So should I keep it? Should I use the stock head tube? I'm not sure if you can see in there properly with this lighting. I'm just trying to get it so you can see. But as you can see in there, yeah, that's quite narrow. As you see, it comes out quite narrow there. Right? Should I replace the downpipe with something that's a bit thicker and about as wide as the actual out tube on this for the downpipe to the head? Or should I use this one that's slightly more restrictive for the, just literally for the header? Because the rest of the exhaust is going to be straight through this size no matter what after the turbo. But before it, should I have it like this or like that? What do you reckon will spool it better? I'm just thinking of spool, because this would increase the exhaust velocity, but at the same time, at higher speeds, it would reduce the amount of like pressure that can go out with too much back pressure. Because bear in mind, back pressure isn't that good anyway. There's all these myths about it and stuff, but it's not a good thing, really. You know what I mean? You have to have a good balance between velocity and back pressure. But with a turbo, I reckon it'll just make too much back pressure. What do you guys think? I know I'm supposed to be the one teaching you, but this is basically, I reckon this is, there's probably science behind it, but it's more opinion for us, because no one's really done the science behind 125 exhausts and turbos, really, have they? So I was just taking the exhaust gasket off, and look what's happened. How on earth has this happened? I feel like I'm going to cut myself up all over it. How has this happened? Crazy. There it is though. Oh, there's a big layer of corrosion left in there. Definitely need a new exhaust gasket, don't I? Let me just show you guys in there quick. Exhaust port. You can see that needs a good clean up. A very, very good clean up. Give me an opinion here. Should I or should I not do a port and polish on this? What am I kidding? Of course I am. If you guys have any recommendations for any good Dremels or anything, let me know. I'm probably going to buy a Dremel and port and polish it properly. And I can see, yeah, that the exhaust gasket fits around there, and that's how big the exhaust pipe is as well. So that's actually where I put it to. So I'm not going to leave that mark there for now, because then it will just have a lot better, smoother flowing exhaust, and should have a performance gain when it comes to the turbo and stuff, because it should increase the velocity better. Rather than it just going from that tiny size to a big size straight away, it will gradually spread out to it. So it will be a lot more smooth flowing rather than just one, you know? Because, yeah, efficiency. And actually, that's it for this clip. Now I've got the exhaust on, I feel pretty accomplished, but at the same time I feel a bit like underwhelmed because the bolt snapped. But that's alright, we'll get through it. That's fine. This is only a quick clip, so I'm sure you guys would have actually watched this one as well. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and that, because if you don't do that, I can't grow my channel and I can't put a turbo on it like ASAP. The quicker you guys help me, the quicker it gets a turbo. Think about it like that. Come on. It needs a turbo. Alright. Cheers for that, guys. I'll see you in the next one.